Hi, I'm Seth Tate, Product Manager at Blum US, and today I'm going to walk you through how to adjust an AVENTOS HF top. To make a height adjustment, turn this screw to raise and lower your door. To make a side adjustment, turn this screw to move the door left and right. To make a tilt adjustment, turn this screw to adjust the angle of the door in relation to the cabinet. If you have any questions about AVENTOS HF Top or any of our other products and services, please visit our website at blum.com. If there are any videos you'd like to see in the future, please let us know in the comments below.